channel. My name is Czyan. I'm working in the telecom industry. We are coming here. We want to help Kazakhstan to modernize their telecom infrastructure, such as the routers and the wireless network. We want to build the foundation and infrastructure for the ITV.
You arrived just last week, you said, right?
Yes, it's a business trip for me.
It's a business trip.
Yes.
How long are you planning to stay here?
I came to here without the visa because now we already reached the agreement. China government and the Kazakhstan government, we can free stay here 2 weeks. I think in next month we can stay here for 1 month without visa.
So you're going to stay for 1 month.
No, this time 2 weeks.
Have you ever been here before?
Yes, many times, just short time business trip in the last year.
So how many years do you work here?
I already worked in the industry 10 years, around 10 years. But usually I have business trip between different countries in the CS area, including the Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan. I always fly between these countries.
What is your company? What is the name of your company?
I came from, ZTE company. We are a telecom equipment provider. Chinese company, yes, telecom equipment provider.
So is it your office?
Yes, it's very flexible for us, Yes, we have a lot of colleagues come here to support the projects.
How many of you arrived here?
10 colleagues.
Do you know that there are so many foreigners coming from China?
Yes, Kazakhstan people also can fly to China without visa or 1 month. I think it's very good. It's very good for the communication between Kazakhstan and China. Because the geopolitical risk happened a lot these days. I think in China we want to strengthen our relationship in the CS area countries such as Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. Yes, I think it's good.
How do you like Kazakhstan?
It's very comfortable. It's a good country. It's very beautiful, especially Almaty. Almaty is an old city, has a long history. When I come to here, it's a surprise for me. I find a lot of trees here. Yes, it's comfortable, and the food is good. Yes, it's different.
Did you try bishbarmak?
What?
Bishbarmak, did you try it?
No.
It's the most delicious Kazakh food.
Okay, I will try next time.
In China, are there as many Kazakh people as here Chinese?
I don't know. To be honest, I don't know because China is. We have a lot of people in China. We have 1.2 billion people. It's a huge country, so it's very hard for you in China to meet some foreigners. So, but here I can meet, especially in big cities. I see a lot of Chinese people come to here to do the business. Yes, it's more easy here to meet Chinese people. But in China, I live in the city Nanjing, nearby Shanghai. To be honest, it's very hard for me to meet foreigner. It's not only from Kazakhstan, also from another countries. It's very hard for us. We also create a lot of jobs here. I also have a lot of local colleagues. They are from Kazakhstan.
Local people.
Local people, yes, join NZT. We are working in the same company. We're working for the same project. Yes.
Don't you have any difficulties in communication here?
To be honest, not big issues for us to communication with each other. Not big, but maybe we have some conflicts in the culture.
Culture differences.
Culture difference, yes.
But not communication difficulties.
Yes, for me, do you know the meat, horse meat?
Yes.
Yes, local people can eat horse meat, but it's very difficult for us. But we almost don't eat horse meat.
Is it strange for you?
Yes.
Okay. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
In China, are there as many Kazakh people as here Chinese?